let's install our release notes in Webflow. First, we go to the settings, and here we have the announcement page. You get a preview of what we want to embed into Webflow now. We'll go to installation instructions. Now here are the instructions that we will need to paste into Webflow. So the first thing we need to do is take this snippet and paste it into the head section in your Webflow site. To do this in Webflow, we go to Site Settings, Custom Code, and then paste it into the head section here. Save changes, and then back to the designer. Now the next snippet we will need is this tag, and we paste that somewhere in the body section where we want the code to appear. So in this case, how we do this, we already have a container. We'll click Add, Embed, and here we can place our custom code. Just save and close, and that's it. Now here we have the embed tag. All we need to do now is publish. Wait a second. Or 2 seconds. And once that's published, we can preview the site and our release notes are here. That's it. That's how you install Webflow in 1 minute and 30 seconds.